Hello, my name is Duane, and as you can see, I'm a trader. I've actually been trading long-term investing, swing trading for about 22 years. And a couple years ago, I decided I might want to give day trading a try. So I read Andrew Aziz's book in the summer of 2019, How to Day Trade for a Living, and I found their website, bearbulltraders.com, through that book. I've found everything I need at that website. They have education, they have webinars, they have great moderators. They always have answered every email I've ever sent. It has exceeded every expectation I ever could have had, and to be honest, I'm about a year and a half in now, and I wouldn't still be day trading if it wasn't for them. So I think they have a trial membership that's like $39 for a week. It does not auto-renew. If you think you might want to try day trading, you owe it to yourself to at least give them a try. And my screen name is D Miles in chat. If I happen to be there, I'm usually jabbering on about something. So give me a shout out, and if not, if you'd rather, you could private message me or any of the moderators or any of the other skilled traders. They have a bunch of them there, and it's a great place. Give them a try.